In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your taxes on Shopify at Learn with Shopify. Taxes can feel intimidating, but Shopify gives you clear tools to get set up correctly. I'll walk you through the exact screens you'll use, explain what each option means, and point out safe places to cancel so you can explore without accidentally saving changes. As always, confirm your obligations with a tax professional for your location and business model. Start by opening your Shopify admin and make sure you're in the correct store. On the home dashboard, select the Welcome to Shopify card to bring up the guided setup and quick links. From there, head into Settings, located at the bottom of your admin sidebar. This is where you control store-wide configuration, including taxes. Inside Settings, use the search field at the top. Type Highlight to quickly surface relevant admin options. In the results, choose Manage how sales taxes are collected per region. This opens the Taxes and Duties area, where Shopify organizes tax rules by country and region, so you can manage registrations and rates in one place. Select Canada to see how a region is structured. You'll find your available jurisdictions, tax registrations, and tools to fine-tune how taxes apply to your products and shipping. If you need to expand where you collect, click Collect in New Region. This is the screen you'll use to begin collecting in an additional province or territory once you're registered and ready. For our walkthrough, choose Cancel, so nothing is saved yet. Back on the region page, you'll see an option to add override. Overrides let you specify different rates for particular products, collections, or shipping methods when the default rules don't fit. Click Add Override to preview those settings. Review the fields and notice how you can target specific collections or shipping rates. Since we're just exploring, click Cancel to keep your current setup unchanged. Open. Add Override again to reinforce where you'll return when you're ready to create a product or shipping-specific exception. Once more, select Cancel to leave everything as it was. That's the core navigation you'll use. Open Settings. Search. Manage taxes by region, preview collection in new areas, and explore overrides for special cases. When you're ready to finalize, make sure your business address and tax registration numbers are accurate. Enable collection only where you're registered, and document any overrides so your reports stay clean. Shopify will automatically apply standard rates for each region you've enabled, and your overrides will take precedence where you've defined them. Thanks for watching. Follow these screens at your own pace, and when you're confident, save your changes to go live with a compliant, transparent